Guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video. If you are returning, thank you for coming back to me, and if you are new here, welcome to the family, welcome to the OGDs. Make sure you please subscribe to my channel and please like this video. Okay, so today's video is going to be a very chilled video. I'm going to get my nails done today. I've actually had my nails like this for the longest. I think some weeks ago I tried fixing person nails, but it didn't even last me like a week or so. So my nails have been like this since then. So today I'll be going to fix these nails that's on the screen right now. I've been to her place a couple of times, and some of my friends have actually been to her place a couple of times, and I just showed her this particular picture that can she do this for me, and she said yes. So I'm just going to go there today, get my nails done. I just want something on my nails because I'll be creating content later this week, so I just wanted like a bit of manicure and all. So I'll be going to her place right now, and I'll take you guys along with me. Hopefully she gets to do it exactly how I want it to be done.
We've done this before, and I know that we'll do it again. So lay me down on the floor. Can't stand one more night up in your bed. Yeah, you know my hand, but it's not meant for you. It's a game we play where we're both gonna lose. I know what they say, she should walk away, telling me it's just a phase. Feelings of your skin pulling me back in, can't get you off of my brain. How do I let go? I don't have a clue, 'cause I know I can't stop running back to you. Where did I go wrong? What else can I do? Why do I keep on running back to you? Running back to you.
Running back to you. Running back to you. Running back to you. Running back to you. Running back to you. Running back to you. Running back to you. Running back to
We've been
you.
here before, and you know that we'll be here again. Always leaving an open door. Will we ever stop playing pretend? Yeah, you hold my hand, but you got my heart too. It's a game we play where we're both gonna lose. I know what they say, she should walk away, telling me it's just a phase. Feelings of your skin pulling me back in, can't get you off of my brain. How do I let go? I don't have a clue, 'cause I know I can't stop running back to you. Where did I go wrong? What else can I do? Why do I keep on running back to you? Running back to you.
Running back to you. Running back to you. Running back to you. Running back to you. Running back to you. Running back to you. Running back to you. Running back to you.
You keep saying that we're just friends, but if we didn't start, then how can we end? Done some things I can't defend. What's the use loving you? How do I let go? How do I let go? I don't have a clue. I don't have a clue, 'cause I know I can't stop running back to you. Where did I go wrong? What else can I do? What else can I do? Why do I keep on running back to you? to my ladies, grinding it out on the daily. 18 to 80, from the shores of Jersey to Haiti. We are who we are, don't put on a show, except when I sing on the radio. Not used to a girl who's telling you no. You wanted me good, well I'm good to go. I'm not asking for permission, and I don't mind causing a little friction. I know I got the best intentions, and it's time to teach you a lesson. Good girls can do a bad, bad thing. Good girls can do a bad, bad thing. Good girls can do a bad, bad thing. Girls, 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 girls. I'm such a good, good girl. You call me a baby, but that don't mean I'm your baby. Keep saying I'm crazy, but all of these names don't faze me. I don't really care how I'm coming across. Starting a dynasty, Diana Ross. So only respond if you're calling me boss. If you won't play nice, then sorry you're lost. I'm not asking for permission, and I don't mind causing a little friction. I know I got the best intentions, and it's time to teach you a lesson. Good girls can do a bad, bad thing. Good girls can do a bad, bad thing. Good girls can do a bad, bad thing. Girls, 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 girls. Good girls can do a bad, bad thing. Good girls can do a bad, bad thing. Good girls can do a bad, bad things. Girls, 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 girls. No one ever worries about the good ones, underestimating all that we've done. Scared of running out of time, so I wasted a little too much pride, but no patience. Rich but I'm broke, rude but I'm woke. Damn it, I'm working on me. Thick but I'm light, soft but I bite. Baby, that's my duality. And if we go slow, always moving fast and we're losing control. If we let go, getting super high but we're dwelling on the lows. If we take note, making history tonight, we can worry tomorrow. We're gonna be alright. We just gotta go slow. Scared of losing my grip, so I hold tighter. What you see is what you get. Mama made me a fighter. Rich but I'm broke, rude but I'm woke. Damn it, I'm working on me. Small but I'll grow. Big shows on the road. Baby, that's all I need. And if we go slow, always moving fast and we're losing control. If we let go, getting super high but we're dwelling on the lows. If we take note, making history tonight, we can worry tomorrow.